Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most attractive hair accessories designs. It's totally handmade crochet hair accessories. So please don't skip this video, watch the video start to end. Because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and useful. I hope you all love this type of beautiful collection. So ever share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most beautiful and trending designs of hair accessories. It's very beautiful and totally handmade hair accessories. So please, you know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. So in this video you will see different type of colors and different decent and most amazing designs. Must apply these beautiful designs for more beautiful and outclass look. Thank you viewers for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's a very amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items. So if you love this article and if you want more and more designs, so like my video, subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon. See you soon. Be connected with me. Bye bye.